Today I'm going to walk you through the process of searching for in-network providers with BlueCross BlueShield if you have not made your benefit elections in the ICUBA enrollment portal. If you have, you can access the BlueCross BlueShield provider directory through the ICUBA single sign-on. But if you have not, this is the route that you will want to take in order to search for in-network providers under the NSU plan. First thing that you're going to want to do is navigate to the BlueCross BlueShield website. That address is www.myhealthtoolkitfl.com. Once you're on the landing page for BlueCross BlueShield, very simply click on the link that is labeled Find a Provider on the right-hand side of the page. You click Find a Provider and you're going to be presented with the option to search for an in-network provider by name, location, and specialty. I will go ahead and set the code to 33314. Click Save, and this will be my default location while I'm searching. And in order to find providers that are network on an NSU ICUBA plan for medical, click on the little dialog box that says Show Me Only Doctors and Hospitals in My Plan, and enter the alpha prefix, capital I, capital C, capital I. ICI is the NSU ICUBA alpha prefix, and that will only show in-network providers under our plan. And now you can search by provider name, location, specialty. For the purposes of today's tutorial, I'll use family medicine as the provider example. Click search, and a list of in-network providers will be displayed. Now, if you would like to find out if your primary care provider is Blue Distinction Total Care Certified, select the BDTC Certified option under the Quality Recognitions, and Blue Distinction Total Care Certified primary care providers will be displayed. And just remember that your Blue Distinction Total Care primary care doctor is always $0 out of pocket under an NSU ICUBA plan. That does it for today. Thank you for joining me.